Welcome to the Halftime Report. I'm Scott Wapner. Our top trade this hour, the late summer stock surge. A new day bringing new records for most of the major averages and some new questions now for investors. Amy Raskin is here. She's the Chief Investment Officer of Chevy Chase Trust. I think the market's over its skis at this point.
I think the market is getting there. I think it can continue to go over its skis. I think we're getting into overshoot territory. I think we're in the later stages of the market, the early stages of inflation. Inflation is obviously a late cycle indicator, a lagging indicator.
I mean, this could go on for a long time,
it could go
right?
On
I mean,
for
you
a long time.
remember, rational exuberance lasted
exactly.
4
you can
years.
Get an overshoot.
You'd rather be out too early than be late.
We're not saying be out. So we've been full tilt into equities for the past 5 years. We haven't gotten defensive. I think a lot of other private client managers have gotten more defensive. We're starting to go to neutral. We're lowering the beta. We're still holding our core thematic names. One of the names I like is Grubhub. I think that has a lot of runway in front of it. They're doing about $5 billion in gross food sales. It's an expensive stock. Again, valuation's not keeping me out of it because they have a $200 billion market opportunity in front of them. I think it's a winner-take-all market. So we are just scaling back a little bit on our positions on some of these more volatile names, adding to some more stable names, but we still like growth and stability.
You know, the chances of us being in a recession in the near term are off the table, unless barring a shock.
Right. If you look at the recession indicators, they're not flashing red. Certainly, credit spreads are not worrisome, but credit spreads lately have been more coincident than leading. The yield curve is flattening. I know people are dismissing it, but if that's a typical recession indicator, so we dismiss it. And money growth is slowing. Money growth was 1% in July. That's the slowest in the cycle. So money velocity is going up, which is increasing inflation, and money growth is slowing. But I'm saying most people are interpreting every statistic that comes out in a very positive light. And I'm not saying that the economy is not good. It certainly is good. So but I'm just trying to gauge sentiment versus where the facts are. I'm going to talk about FLIR. It's a defense company that now has applications for its thermal imaging technology in non-defense sectors like drones and potentially autonomous vehicles. It's an $8.5 billion market cap, new management. We like it a lot.